welcome back to my channel. So in case you forgot, my name is Cristeen because I know I've been missing forever. Very unacceptable. Well, not forever, but it seems like forever. And I have a friend with me today. This is Zitty. So say hi, Zitty. Hi. This video is going to be pretty much like a room makeover, and I'm gonna be doing room by room. And in this video, this one's going to be my bedroom, and I'm still not finished with it because I need some advice. I'm not ashamed to ask for advice, okay? I have anxiety really bad. I've done videos on it like years ago, but I do suffer from anxiety to the point where like I can't even swallow my food, and it just feels like it all tightens up here, and I'm just like, I need to like breathe. But well, my voice shook. But my anxiety has kind of like hit a high lately, so I was searching ways to, you know, help it without taking any medications. So I read, you know, your environment could help, and the vibe, you know, of your bedroom and stuff. So I started looking at lavender and like soft grays, not dark gray, but like a soft gray setting and everything, and found that that helps. So I do want to do that to my room. Over there you could see my room has a like, what is it? It looks like a Tiffany blue color, and the rest is just like white, like a dirty white that needs to be repainted anyways. And excuse the mirror, it's still, yeah, there's still a lot to be done. Pretty much what I did so far is organize it. This is real. This is raw footage. When I woke up in the morning, I took my daughter to school, come back, and this is what's happening. We have too many things, way too many, and we're very unorganized. My husband and I, both of us. When just life happens, we hurry up and throw things, toss things. I need to get rid of that mirror, and I'm going to, because then it will force me to buy a new mirror. I don't know why I keep this one. It's broken, dangerous. If the kids put their foot there, they're gonna get cut. My sheet's not even on right. I throw my slippers there, jackets. My husband had to get some stuff out of that suitcase, so he left it there instead of putting it back where it belongs. My daughter's headband, my son's card, my daughter's blanket, a wrapper, a receipt. Okay, so the extension cord's there for a reason, because it follows into the closet. Well, first the bathroom, and then inside the closet, which we will get to later because Mama's unorganized again. Ugh. Always. All things step by step, okay? I would put this in the garage, but right now the garage is a kids play area, so this stays in here. And plus I work out a lot at night with this, so I'm keeping this in here. I just gotta fold it up and unfold it, which is a pain, but it does give more space when it's folded up. And then at night I don't go like this. I have to go pee. Ugh. Which happens almost every night.
What's touching me now?
Yeah, can you pick up all of your stuff in here? So let's get started with this area. Yes, Jax. This area is horrible. And we took the TV down for my daughter when she had her friends over, so that's why the wall looks like that. But this, yeah. And I want to repaint the wall. I loved that for the longest time, but I'm ready to stop that color. This is gonna be a long process. Okay, so first the cubbies. My goal is to remove all these cubbies because they're really bad quality now. So I'm gonna take out all these clothes, put them back folded in here until I get new cubbies, which I will look on Amazon for some that will kind of go with this, and ones that don't do this, because they all ended up doing that. In a little bit, I'm gonna ask you guys for advice on what colors you think I should do the room and what walls. Before I actually buy the paint and everything, I do want to get some advice, and then we'll see like which one you guys chose for my bedroom, because yeah. And I'm gonna get a new comforter and just stuff like that to set the mood for my room. So I ended up printing out a checklist, which was so helpful. I got it off Pinterest, and I went through the checklist for the bedroom. And some of the stuff did say like your worn out shoes and all that, but that stuff's in my closet, which will be in another video. My closet and my bathroom are behind me, that door right there, and they're connected. So that's gonna be another spot that I'm gonna be showing you, where I go under the sink and clean out that sink, because I got some junk under there, and my closet just looked like a huge hurricane hit it. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I did go through all my clothes. I found some clothes I didn't want. I found some clothes that I donated, and clothes that I thought I could probably make, you know, a couple bucks off. So I went on OfferUp and, you know, sold them. I did like a whole bundle of it for, it ended up being like $10. I sold a whole bundle of clothes. I took out almost all of the cubbies because it was just junk in most of them. Everything was unorganized. Most of the stuff I was like, I don't even wear. So I threw those out, and I decided that my mirror had to go, because I had a mirror and it was chipped on the bottom, and I was like, okay, it's time to upgrade that. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you some clips of me organizing my room, which is pretty self-explanatory by watching it. I don't want to like talk to you guys step by step what I'm doing when it's only obvious. It's time to help me pick out what color. So this wall is the only wall, sorry if it's like messy, but that's the only wall right where our headboard is, that is that Tiffany bluish color, and then all around is just white. I need a vacuum, and still, like I said, I got a lot of stuff to do still, but this is what I was looking at. I did think this shade right here, it's called Weather Vein. Let's see if you guys could get that. I thought this, I know I said light gray, but this one I think is really pretty for like the gray wall that I want. And then here are some lavenders. This is called Sassy Lilac, and then this is called Imperial Lilac. My husband likes the Whisper one, which is the lightest one. But I don't know, it kind of just looks white to me. Like I really want it to stand out. I also got these shades, right? Oh, I also got a Starbucks gift card that I got on my birthday. So I really like this one too. What do you guys think of this shade, this purple? Or do you like the darker one? So this is called Positively Purple. Kind of what I want my mood to be, positive. And then this one, the darkest one right here, this one is Violet Beret. So I don't know, I think out of those two and then these, which one? What do you think? I don't know, you guys, this is like a really tough choice for me. And then as far as the gray, like I said, I showed you this one, but then there are some shades back here that complement each other. So I'll show you guys this, and you can like pause it if you want to kind of like help me out. And by the way, I picked this up at Lowe's. So if you guys are like trying to find shades, or Home Depot, I'll go to Home Depot too. I like both of them. But I really need a little bit of help, you guys. Look at the clarity of this color lifts my spirit. The purple gala. But vibes, you guys. So anyways, yeah, that's what I'm working on, and then I'll show you guys the final reveal. But so far I kind of gave you a sneak peek of what's going on, and I'm excited to be doing this. It's something that I feel will really help me. Prayer, of course, helps with anxiety for me, and just reading books. I left social media for 30 days. If you guys want like a video of my experience, what I did and all that, let me know, because I will do that as well. I think it's something that I should share anyways, because it was just like a whole different mindset for me when I just left social media for 30 days. It was amazing. Like, I just felt so good. But then I'm back and it feels good still. You know, I missed you guys. But once I feel myself getting to that point to where my anxiety is picking up, or I'm feeling self-doubt, then I'm gonna leave again. It was so worth it, so worth it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to getting the advice from you guys, what you think I should do, because I'm not that good with decorating. That's not in my thing, you know? And yeah, so the color of the walls, and then do you think I should do lavender, gray? What color comforter do you think I should get? And yeah, just go ahead and pick apart my room and let me know what you think. And I will definitely look into that and do that soon, because I want to do a whole bedroom reveal after and share that with you. And then next will be the closet and the bathroom, and then we'll move on to laundry room, kitchen, kids room. I'm decorating the kids room. There is a before picture and it looks horrible, and I'm working on it, and they want a Lego theme. So far I've got the Lego shower curtain, and it is looking so good. I can't wait to share that with you guys as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys soon with a fashion video and a what I ate today video, and just some more of these videos, because it's exciting and motivating. And yeah, and more challenges. I need more challenges too. I did the abs, I did the thighs. Now let's do maybe the arms. Yeah. Bye. Okay, so the checklist. Let's see. Just kidding. So when I was cleaning, I found these glasses. Oh, I need to clean them. But I'm keeping them because I still remember exactly what haul video I did where I bought these. And I thought they were the coolest things ever. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye. City, say goodbye. Say goodbye, City.